Rocky Pat here. Alright guys, this is another rocky day in the jungle. Well, I got the 1947 Chevrolet Pickem Up Truck up on the lift because I went and got it back. Well, I had my tow truck guy bring it over to me because the battery went dead, and subsequently I've added a battery tender to it so that my customer doesn't have to open the hood to charge the battery. But while I had it here, I called it over here for a specific reason, but that's another story. But while I had it here, I went and noticed that the gas gauge was showing empty. So I took it over to the gas station and I filled it up, and the gas gauge still showed empty. Well, this one's for the Canadian Bubba. Same problem, brother. Exact same problem you're having with your truck. I just pulled the fuel tank out of it. And I don't know if we're going to be able to hear it, but listen closely. It's completely full of fuel. It's not going to float. And, yep, same problem. Cheap Chinese crap. So I haven't found exactly where the hole is. Not so sure if I'm gonna find where the hole is. Probably gonna drill a hole in it. You can see here where they had a that was the last place they welded. Probably gonna drill a hole in it, and then that seam right there I'm going to put JB Weld on. JB Weld is not affected by gasoline. So if you're trying to fix the one you have, Bubba, drill a hole in it, get all the fuel out of it as best you can, and then go ahead and JB Weld that seam. Alright guys, well that's it. I'm going to get this fuel gauge fixed up. Coming this week, I think we got a 67 Cadillac two-door coming for some work. So y'all hang in there and y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. And I'm going to keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time. Oh, yeah, wait a minute. Oh, no, I'll do another video here. I'll see y'all next time. Y'all keep grinding it down.